Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we just got another quick sneaker unboxing. Another Nike sneakers W coming at you right now. So let's just go grab this box. So it's Christmas Eve right now, so I'm not really gonna be talking too much. I just want to get right into it. So another Nike sneakers dub. Started off a little rough, wasn't really hitting anything, and then it definitely picked up where I hit 4 pairs within the matter of a month. And this is the 4th pair right here. So as you guys can see, the Air Max box. So in this box, we have the Air Max 95 OG. Of course, the neons. Go ahead, peel the box back. Pull it down, and here they are. Already knew what to expect. And I don't even remember the last time these came out. Obviously, I know the colorway, but the neon classic. Obviously, you got the gradient change of gray to the darker gray, and then the black midsole and outsole. But you got nice suede, white mesh up top, the highlighter, green, neon, eyelets right there, neon green insole, white on the tongue. Try to focus that up real quick so you guys can kind of see the tongue. There you go. Then the all black bottom with the neon, of course. The small Nike neon green Nike swoosh right there. But this is the, I guess, like the 2020 like retro pretty much of the Air Max 95 neon. And it has obviously back there Nike Air tab, and I'm pretty sure, yes, the back is reflective. Pair of Air Max is actually the first pair of Air Max I've hit on Nike sneakers too. But anyway, that's it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, Fizz Kicks, clothing brand Fizz New York. Like the video, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below if you guys managed to cop these, where you cop them, what do you guys think of these, and that's it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.